lang, Jay actually mentioned and Ed mentioned na yun nga, kahapon pa lang, 10,000 tickets sold out na. And I don't know if you guys know this, pero dito, pag Filipino event, rarely mangyari yun. Halos hindi nga, di ba? So, how do you feel about that, guys?
For me, we're very happy. Ibig sabihin, kahit exposed sila sa international music and kahit hindi sila nasa bansa natin, hindi nila nakakalimutan yung Pinoy music scene. Hindi lang, normally kasi ang pananaw na yung mga banda, ang gusto lang ng mga people from overseas, yung mga nakikita na sa mga artista like mga Piolo Pascual or Sam Milby or Soxito Fashion. Pero it means nakikinig sila sa Pinoy music and tulad na sinabi ni Rico Blanco of River Maya before, it's a golden age ng OPM music and it's nice to see and to feel na yung mga Pinoy overseas, kahit di naaabot na yung music, umaabot sa kanila. And I guess they enjoy our music for them to buy tickets and sa ganun kadaming tao para manood. Ibig sabihin, nasusuportahan talaga nila yung local music scene. And syempre, wala kami ibang pwede sabihin kundi salamat talaga. And we're very, very flattered na pinapakinggan nila yung music namin. Kasi we're just a bunch of kids, kids kami, grown-ups who act like kids, who ginagawa lang namin yung enjoy sa buhay na magbanda and for people to support that and to enjoy that and to buy 10,000 tickets, pati kami hindi na ma-absorb yun. So, kung sabihin nyo nilang na sold out na yung 10,000 tickets, hindi pa rin kami naniniwala hanggang ngayon.
It's actually